Lily's Cooking Adventures.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lily's Cooking Adventures. Today's recipe will be Vietnamese stir-fried corn with dried shrimp. It is called Bap Xao Tôm Khô in Vietnamese. It is very easy and very delicious to make. Okay, let's begin!
These are the ingredients we need today. Soak 2 tablespoons of dry shrimp in hot water for 1 hour. Then rinse the shrimp in cold water several times. Thinly slice the white part of the green onions. For the green bottom part of the green onions, cut into about 1/4 inch long. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil, then add the white part of the green onion. Sauté until fragrant, then add the dried shrimp. Cook the shrimp on high heat for about 1 minute, then add ½ teaspoon of chicken powder and a pinch of black pepper. Stir for a few more seconds, then transfer the shrimp out into a bowl. Return the skillet to the stove and add 1 tablespoon of butter. When the butter are all melted, add the corn. Cook for a few minutes, then add ½ teaspoon of chicken powder, ½ teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook on high heat until all the liquid evaporates. When the corn is dry like this, add the dried shrimp. Cook for a few minutes, then add some black pepper and all of the green onions. Turn off the stove and stir for another 30 seconds. Then it's ready to be served. Transfer out onto a plate, then sprinkle with some fried onions on top. If you've never tried this before, you have to go make some and try it yourself. It is very delicious, very yummy, and I'm so hungry right now looking at it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Bye!